Hello, my name is Chandler Small, and I'm the Security Director at Bard Graduate Center. The piece I'll be showing you today is this reindeer hide that you see behind me. I purchased this piece back in 2018 during my trip to Reykjavik, Iceland. The name reindeer is of Norse origin, from the Old Norse word rein, spelled H-R-E-I-N-N, for deer. Reindeer skins have been used for many purposes, such as rugs and decorative, as you can see here, but also for clothing, furniture, boots, and so forth. Now, at first glance, one may think that a reindeer's coat is thick, but it's quite hollow to the contrary. The hollow fibers allows the hairs to trap air, and it is this trapping of air that keeps the animal warm while in frigid environments such as in the Arctic and subarctic regions. Another interesting fact about a reindeer's coat is that the colors vary. It can appear whitish during the winter, blending in with snow, and it can appear brownish during the summer, blending in with earth and rock, the perfect camouflage.